at this. Wow. Wow. Take a look at this. Wow. Take a look at this. Wow. Take a look at this. Wow. 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 Alright. So we'll be looking at DXY. And to be honest, let's talk about what we want from price and then see what price is going to give us. Alright, well, just in case you are watching this video after record, before record, between record, vice record, any record wise, I want to welcome you to our morning live streaming section. Hopefully network is friendly today. All right. So while we are we're on the 5-minute time frame on DXY. DXY is the dollar index, and we will be using this chart, which is the DXY, to pretty much align ourselves to what we think price is gonna do in the day. What would think price gonna do later in the day? We'll spend more of our time on the 5-minute time frame. Then after we roll it out to see order pair. Alright, so as we continue, we would know that we can also use the currency correlation on that to pretty much what's that? That's weird. Okay. Okay, back to business. Sorry, I got distracted a bit there. So I see a couple of things going on here, and to be honest, what I would have wanted price to do is come and take away our previous day low. What I would have preferred to see is price to stay where the rate is dead low. Alright, so we would want price to do what? To give us this is the ideal move we wanted. I thought price would have given off the swipe when it came down there. Sorry. You see, when price attempted going down here the first time, that was where I thought price was going to give us that swipe that is taking that liquidity out, but it's not yet too late. If price can do this, this is a very nice expectation. All right, so want price to calm down, take it and go. But if price doesn't do that, another thing they can do is to maybe find where we would have a break of structure, no, a change of character rather, when you're not applying. That is the smart money concept. You know, the whole market structure, BOS, chalk, which is the change of character and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So the plan A, which is the best plan, will be for price to continue going down and ultimately grab the previous day low. Then, there and then we can now consider, jumping on it for a buy. But on the other hand, which is not the best case scenario, which when I think about it, I just would not want to engage, will be for price to give us a change of character if we are taking the current market structure that we are seeing, and I'll still show you guys. And of course, if price starts to take out these highs here, okay, that's where I would want to start maybe looking for buys ultimately. But still, like I said, the best case scenario would be for price to take out that low first. But if it fails not to, then this is the first plan. Then the second plan will now be if it fails, or thereby how we see price just going up and just take out that high. Maybe we can now look with for maybe something like this. But I don't like this setup. This setup is not the best. I wouldn't want to see this. So I'm heavily I'm heavy on getting the previous day low taken out. Another thing I would want to do now is maybe come up to the daily time frame and see what's the bigger picture looking like. So you can see pretty much it's been an interesting one. This guy is today. Okay, okay, okay. But here it's pointing that low. The low seems like it's taken, but when I look closely, seems like it's nothing. Okay. This was on Friday. Monday range. I see. Well, to be honest, this price might be good to go. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, we're good to go. Oh man, we're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. We're good to go. So on the 4-hour time frame, just looking at it, it's quite bullish. That is, we have a very big gap there. You can see. We tilted down a little bit down to the 1-hour time frame. Oh, sorry guys. 1-hour time frame, same story. Like I said, I would want them to take out that low, but looking at this, I don't think they will take out that low. I think if we see the market structure on the push direct, we might just want to take that, but still I would want to see price take the low, and that would be the best case scenario for me. But let's see what's going to happen. Nothing extra is going on. We've pointed out the plan A. The plan B will be if we don't take out the low. Remember, guys, take out this high, rest above it, maybe a pullback in, of course, aiming for that high all the way up there. All right, so let's see what's going to happen, and yeah, let's sit back and relax and enjoy the show, I guess. And while you're watching, if you're not yet subscribed, just subscribe. to us, and because we do this every day, and we really need my guys to bring light right about now because my system's low. My system's still slow. Alright, DXY on the move. And already the volume in the markets for the buys are just there because just pretty much have swallowed all the nights. And the highest for yesterday was around here. Twinkle little star beyond, what you wanna roll for us? Into the sky you go, why you wanna run for us? Why you wanna run for us? Little child, we know you fall on us, we go. I know you wanna run to where you don't know. Do you really want to go? I don't know if you know. I wanna go alone into the sky, we know. Waiting for price to take this high. Waiting for price to take this high. We need this high taken. All right, let's go. All we wanna know is for the high to go. Once price decades away, we are almost good to go to places where we won't go. I know for sure I am gonna jump on this right now. Oh, 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 oh. Why roll? Oh, but come to think of it, I think I really messed up. Cause why? Well, I know why. I didn't mess up because I was waiting for something actually. I was waiting for that low to be taken out. The only guy that seems the safest to trade now, considering the market condition we have, might be British pound, but on the second thought, I don't want to be trading this market. I don't want to be trading this kind of market. This kind of market. This kind of market. This kind of. This kind of. This kind of market. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Trading disco, 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 disco. Okay, I've got to be rounding up right about now because we don't have enough battery supply. All right. So last updates before we get going. We get going. We get going. We get going. We get. All right. There is this strategizing that I used to trade way back in the days. I don't want to do that here. No. Um. Call me, 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 call me. Yeah. Okay. I would like this high to be taken out. Let's leave this one for right now. I would like this guy to be taken out. That's the new high. Take it out. Whatever happens right there, we are not interested. We just want to roll there, got there, bless there, you got there, roll there, slap there. So we're playing around the top there, but it's not interesting. I just want them to take out that top. If they want to prove their dominance on the trend, if the bulls want to show the dominance on the trend, they need to take out that top. But remember, the main plan, the main thing, the real deal, the stuff I want to see is for this low to be taken out. But if they don't want to do that and this decides to start rolling it back up, only then we can then consider the fact to say that okay, seems like they just don't want to take it and they want to give us a double bottom, because if you look at this, if you zoom out, this is first bottom, and we can arguably say that's the double bottom there. And if that's to be a double bottom, it means once price starts to change character here, which is that high I pointed out, once we see price rolling there like their life depends on it, only there and then we can categorically speculate that they might not want to swipe the previous day low. They might just want to keep it there and just keep going up. But for me, I would really love them to take out the previous day low, because that is exactly what I'm expecting from price. And I would want to be disciplined enough to miss out on an opportunity by being adamant that if price doesn't take out the previous day low, I'm not going to jump on it, just to be acclaim discipline on it, and also considering the fact that money will be involved. You know, you never know. So that's what it is, and that's exactly how it is. And but just for the hell of it, let's see what's going to happen. I really need some where I'll get power supply or something. This is crazy. Alright. Another thing we can consider is this. So the midpoint is there. The midpoint is just right there. It's quite interesting. All those things they happen. Well, would have been nice for them to take out the previous day low. Would have been nice if they took out the previous day low. So now you can see one thing is sure here. We have successfully trading above that guy just a few minutes ago, but you can see it's a battle there. And you see it's rejecting, it's trying to take it, it's rejecting. Those are the things you will see there. But whichever way it is, once we see a successful price or candle closing above that line, what we do right about there would be simple: wait for a pullback and head on the next move. And that's the best thing I can advise on this. Due to my system power, I need to log off right about now, but I'll be back once I'm able to find source of light, some kind of shit right there. In the meantime, I'd like to say wonderful one, guys, and I appreciate each and every one that might be watching or watching later. Gotta go, guys. Adios, amigos.